How do I enable cross-platform multiplayer in Stardew Valley?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we're going to discuss how to enable cross-platform multiplayer in Stardew Valley. This is a great feature that allows you to enjoy the game with your friends, regardless of what device they're playing on. So, let's dive right into it.
What is cross-platform multiplayer?
Cross-platform multiplayer is a feature that allows players on different platforms to play together. In Stardew Valley, it means you can play with your friends whether they're on PC, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation, or Xbox. Now, how do we enable it? Let's find out.
Requirements for cross-platform multiplayer.
Before we get started, there are a few things you'll need. A copy of Stardew Valley on your platform of choice. An internet connection. Access to multiplayer mode in the game. The latest update of the game, as cross-platform multiplayer is not available in earlier versions.
How to enable cross-platform multiplayer.
Now, let's break down the process. 1. Start the game. Load up Stardew Valley on your device. 2. Select multiplayer. From the main menu, select the co-op option. 3. Host or join. If you're hosting, select Host and then Host New Farm. If you're joining, select Join and then enter invite code. 4. Share the invite code. If you're the host, the game will give you an invite code. Share this code with your friends, regardless of their platform. If you're joining, enter the invite code provided by your friend. 5. Begin the game. Once everyone has entered the invite code and confirmed their readiness, the game will start and you can enjoy playing Stardew Valley with your friends. And that's how you enable cross-platform multiplayer in Stardew Valley. Now you can work on your farm together, regardless of the platform. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we can't wait to hear about all the fun you're having in the game. Happy farming!